Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English with Friends. I'm Jessica, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Leo. Hello, everyone. How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you, Leo. And you?
I'm excited because today we're talking about how to start your day in English.
Yes. Today, we'll help you talk about your morning routine in simple English.
If you want to sound more natural when talking about daily routines, stay with us until the end.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Ready? Let's get started.
Let's start by listening. I will read a short story about my morning. Listen carefully and imagine the situation. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I have breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast and drink some tea.
Sounds healthy and easy. That's a great start for the day.
After breakfast, I get dressed and check my bag for work or school. I make sure I have everything I need.
Very organized. Good habit.
I leave home at 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop and wait for the bus. Sometimes the bus is late, but I try to stay patient.
Patience is important for a good morning.
Now, let's talk about vocabulary you can use for your morning routine.
Like what, for example?
You can say, I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have breakfast. I get dressed. I go to work or school.
Can we also say, my morning routine is simple?
Yes, that's perfect. My morning routine is simple. Tell someone what you usually do every morning.
And how do we say, usually, sometimes, never?
Good question. Use adverbs of frequency. I usually have coffee in the morning. I sometimes eat fruit. I never skip breakfast.
Got it. It's simple and useful.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I get dressed. I go to work. I sometimes eat fruit. I never skip breakfast.
Great practice.
Let's do a small role play, Leo. Imagine you were talking with your friend about your morning.
Okay. Hi, Jessica. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 and brush my teeth. How about you?
I wake up at 6 and have coffee.
Nice. Morning routines help us have a good day.
Yes, I agree.
Now, let's review our new words.
Ready?
Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, wash my face, have breakfast, get dressed, go to work, go to school, usually, sometimes, never. Morning routine.
That's a great list.
Yes, use these words every day to talk about your morning. Okay, now let's have a quick quiz. If you eat in the morning, what do you do?
Have breakfast.
Correct. If you clean your teeth, what do you say?
I brush my teeth.
Perfect. If you wake up at 7, what do you say?
I wake up at 7.
Excellent job. Remember, listen again and repeat. It's the best way to learn English.
And have fun with your morning routine, too.
You did an amazing job today. Thank you for learning with us.
And remember to talk about your morning in English every day.
See you next time on English with Friends. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Stay happy and keep learning.